Want to see yourself as an action figure, a mini diorama version of you, an AI dollhouse character, or maybe even a pixelated Tamagotchi? Let's make it happen with AI and a couple of free tools. Step 1. Go to chatgpt.com and upload a full body photo of yourself. Don't hit enter yet. Bonus points. If your outfit and pose match the style you want to recreate, background can be anything. I actually made mine with AI, but honestly, it was an overkill and took longer than expected. Any full body pic will work. We're going stylized anyway, so perfection is not the goal here. Step 2. Copy one of the prompts from the doc, linked in the description. Action figure, burnout doll, diorama, AI dollhouse, Tamagotchi edition, or even a Pez edition if you want it weird. Let's try the AI dollhouse. Replace the yellow highlights with your own name, outfit, or accessories. Paste it in ChatGPT and now hit enter. Not perfect on the first try? Tell ChatGPT what to fix. Pose, lighting, style, whatever. It'll rewrite the prompt for you. Or she, he, they. Up to you. ChatGPT says it doesn't really care. For now. Oh, by the way, chatting with ChatGPT is very satisfying. It will always tell you how amazing all of your ideas are, even when they're not. Step 3. Once you're happy with your image, head over to Kling AI. Image to video. Upload your picture. Then grab a movement prompt from the doc or write your own. Keep it short. For example, the character lies down on the couch, camera zooms out. Paste it in and hit generate. You can also try Hailuo AI. It gives you a couple of free generations per day. Same process. Image to video. Upload. Paste your prompt. You can also choose camera presets from here. Place it in the prompt where you want the camera movement to start. Hit generate and wait for it to finish. Step 4. Remix and repeat. Try other styles, whatever fits your vibe. Same exact workflow. You can also ask ChatGPT to invent your own custom style prompt. Sky's the limit. Let me know in the comments if you tried it or if you came up with your own version of this trend. And hey, if you want to see mine, check the shorts. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe and all that, and I'll see you next time.